Control meteor tube lighting effects with madrix. The controller connects the computer with a network cable and a power supply at the same time. Use the Canon headline connection Series T in the same space of the lamp cascaded. Need to check the controller before use. Long press menu to enter the menu. You need to check the controller's IP, space, IC, and color channels. Once the settings are complete, press menu long to save the current settings. Enter the corresponding computer IP displayed by the controller in the computer network settings and click OK. Open the device manager. Click ArtNet. Click Search. Click DMX. Select All to open and apply. Open the layout. Continue the layout according to the actual situation. 5 meteor tubes with 24 pixels each in a vertical orientation. Drag effect can be controlled normally. Stay tuned, the video will be updated continuously.